friends! Welcome back to Rain and Shine. Today, we're going to learn about some delicious and colorful fruits, and we'll even learn how to spell their names. Are you ready to explore the fruity world with me? Let's go! First up, we have a red and juicy fruit. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's an apple. Apples are crunchy and sweet. Let's spell it together. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Can you say apple? Great job! Next, we have a fruit that's long and yellow. What could it be? It's a banana. Bananas are soft and tasty. Let's spell it out. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Say banana with me. Wonderful! Now, let's look at this round and orange fruit. It's an orange. Oranges are juicy and full of vitamin C. Let's spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Can you say orange? Fantastic! Here we have some small and round fruits. They come in bunches and can be green or purple. These are grapes. Grapes are sweet and fun to eat. Let's spell grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Excellent! Look at this big, green fruit with a red inside. It's a watermelon. Watermelons are juicy and perfect for a hot day. Let's spell watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Say watermelon with me. Awesome! Next, we have a small, red fruit with tiny seeds on the outside. It's a strawberry. Strawberries are sweet and delicious. Let's spell strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y, strawberry. Can you say strawberry? Super! Here's a fruit with a spiky top and rough skin. It's a pineapple. Pineapples are tropical and very tasty. Let's spell pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. Say pineapple with me. Great! This is a juicy, yellow-orange fruit that's very sweet. It's a mango. Mangoes are known as the king of fruits. Let's spell mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Wonderful! Now, we have some tiny, blue fruits. These are blueberries. Blueberries are small but very nutritious. Let's spell blueberry. B-L-U-E-B-E-R-R-Y, blueberry. Can you say blueberry? Fantastic! Lastly, we have a small, brown fruit with green inside. It's a kiwi. Kiwis are tangy and delicious. Let's spell kiwi. K-I-W-I, kiwi. Let's say kiwi together. Excellent! You did an amazing job learning the names and spellings of these fruits. Let's remember them.